Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about electronic issues on basically any equipment. I've got a bunch of tractors behind me, but one thing we want to remind guys is when you start to have issues, if something goes wrong, the first thing to do is go have a peek at your fuses. So every unit has a book that's got the fuses listed in there. I know on the fence, the pictures on the fuse door are not always super clear, but if you go into the maintenance manual, there is an explanation of what each fuse is and what it does. So if you run into an issue where you have a random problem show up, maybe just go check the fuse. It could save you $1,000 or a $2,000 service call. Also, when you talk to Mike or Nolan, they usually are going to want you to check fuses. So if you've done that already and you know, maybe take a piece of paper or write it down on your phone, yeah, I checked F9 or F10 or whatever that fuse number is, it'll just help to speed things up. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.